Hi, I'm Jason Breach. In this video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Ryder number 5.5 jack plane. The Ryder number 5.5 jack plane. The jack of all planes. The plane bodies are cast of high ductile iron and have an accurately ground sole. Comfortable hardwood handles. The British made blade is 01 high carbon steel. It is 3mm thick, which adds strength and wear resistance. Perfect for flattening, jointing, general preparation. For a more detailed video on blade sharpening, check out this video. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.